The full range of Adventure King's roof racks has something for everyone and every vehicle. A roof rack allows you to take more camping gear away, pack more gear like bikes or kayaks for day trips, and it means you've got extra storage on top of your vehicle for any bulky items or those things you would want to keep outside your car like firewood or wet or muddy gear. Plus, a roof rack is the basis of any great campsite. They allow you to fit a rooftop tent, camp lights, side and rear awnings, and plenty more. Once you've got a roof rack, the possibilities are almost endless. The range of Adventure King's roof racks covers almost every vehicle too. There's a single cab rack, half-length rack, a 3/4 length rack, and of course a wide range of full-size racks that are perfect for large four-drive wagons, utes with canopies, or vans. First, there's a flat rack. This is the perfect choice for people who want a roof rack but need it to be low profile, whether it's for fitting into underground car parks or easy access to the gear on the roof. A flat rack is also well suited to long items such as surfboards, kayaks, or even lengths of timber, as there's no rails on the front or back, meaning they can be strapped down low and flat. Of course, a flat rack also gives you a large flat space for bulky items, which makes transporting furniture a breeze. The flat rack also allows you to fit a quickie rooftop tent on your vehicle for the quickest camp setup you've ever had. Next, there's the tradie rack. Like the flat rack, the tradie rack doesn't have front or back rails, which allows you to throw longer items up top, whether it's lengths of timber or conduit, or your surfboard or kayak. But the raised side rails make it easy to stack a heap up top and strap it down safely. The rooftop tent rack has a wraparound rail on the front of the rack and a flat rear section that allows for a weekender or tourer rooftop tent to be fitted off the side or off the back, plus gives you space at the front to tie down extra gear. Last but not least, there's the full-length rack. This is a full-size rack with a full wraparound rail, ideal for storing large items and stacking them safely. Strapping down pretty much anything is easy on a full-length rack. All Adventure King's roof racks are powder-coated black, include all the mounts and brackets required to fit, and are so tough they're rated to hold 500 kilos. So there's likely an Adventure King's roof rack that'll suit your vehicle and your lifestyle. They're great value, super tough, and ready to be put to work.